Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to use the TwitterDove software to search for users and send a tweet mentioning the user. You can find this functionality under the Search and Tweet Mention tab indicated by the menu icon here. You'll find the standard tab with the account at the bottom, search parameters at the top and the other action parameters around here as well. So firstly we need to set up a search. You can use a drop down for some basic searches. I'm going to use the author's return from the tweet search. Or you could use the custom search functionality. Here you can specify various search parameters that will feed into each other, giving you the ability to create highly targeted searches. For more information on this, do see the custom search video tutorial. I'm only going to be sending a couple of tweets for this tutorial, hence I won't need a pause. Actually, I'll show you the pause. So we'll set a random pause between 6 and 9 seconds. We won't repeat this action, but if you want to, you can be repeating this action every 24 hours, once a day. You could repeat it every 10 minutes. You can specify that you want to repeat it once a day, but only do it 7 times, so after a week the action will stop. Additionally, before you send your tweet, you can specify to follow the user you're going to be mentioning. You can like their most recent tweets, and you can retweet the most recent tweets. The other options, share across accounts, do see the specific tutorial about that. I'm not going to cover it here. You can set a schedule just when you're going to run the action. That's pretty much it really. So I'm going to select our account. I'm going to add the tweet. So here we have the adding tweet control. We can specify to send one tweet to all users, or if you want to be sending more variation in your tweets, having slightly different tweets going to each user, you can do it in multi-comment mode. This does mean you have one tweet per line. So that would be the tweet that goes to the first results. This would be for the second, and then the third, and then it would repeat again, so that would then go to the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the ninth, and so on and so forth. There is various tokens we can use. One of them would be trend hash, which is one of the top trending hashes of the moment. If you want to enter a new line for a single tweet, you would need to use either the line break character or the HTML code for a new line, or you don't even need to. If you want to add a new tweet, but you want to add it in the single mode, whereas the whole screen that you see here is your tweet, is all my single tweet, even though it's on multiple lines. You can do this, and then the program will add it in the code required to add it to the multi-line here. Okay, so now that's all done. You click save, click tweet mention. The action is now added to the processor. You can see it's processing. If your action is sat on waiting, what you would need to do is click the run button to make sure the processor is running. So by double clicking, we can see a real-time view of the action here. The search was running, performing some of the like befores, retweet before, and then the actual sending. There you go, we've got the success of the actual message by going to Twitter feed. You should be able to see it come up. Let's refresh. See, love your post, a couple of the tags. Just found your feed, really liking it. So that's how we can search for users and tweets mentioning their username. More information on this tutorial. Have any questions, do come to the forum, rootjazz.com/forum. For more video tutorials, do check our YouTube channel or Vimeo channel under our username rootjazzvideos. Thank you for watching.